Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best tips for making your journeys smoother and more luxurious. Today, we're tackling how to access American Express lounges in 2025. If you're an Amex cardholder or thinking about getting one, this is your ultimate guide to escaping the airport hustle and relaxing in style. Let's dive right in. First things first, not all Amex cards grant lounge access, so start by checking your card's benefits. In 2025, American Express has streamlined things with their updated Priority Pass program and new digital integrations. You'll need a Platinum, Centurion, or Business Platinum card for complimentary access. Look for the lounge key on your card details via the Amex app. Speaking of the app, download it if you haven't already. It's your gateway to everything. Once you're in, you can view lounge locations, hours, and even reserve a spot in advance to beat the crowds. Now, at the airport, the process is straightforward, but let's walk through it step by step. Head to the lounge entrance. Amex lounges are often in major hubs like JFK, Heathrow, or Dubai International. Present your physical Amex card or use the app for a digital scan. Biometric verification, like facial recognition, might be required in 2025 for added security. Remember, guests are allowed, but there could be a fee, typically $50 per guest, so plan ahead. A few pro tips to make your visit even better. Arrive early to enjoy the amenities, like complimentary food, drinks, showers, and workspaces. If you're traveling internationally, check for any 2025 updates, such as enhanced COVID protocols or sustainable features in lounges. And hey, if you're not an Amex member yet, weigh the annual fees against the perks. They could save you a ton on airport expenses. There you have it, folks. With these steps, accessing American Express lounges in 2025 will be a breeze. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Safe travels. See you next time.